Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of agriculture. Our today's topic is production of lentil. Lens culinaris medic is the botanical name for lentil. Lentil is commonly consumed as dal. The whole lentil seeds contain 24 to 26% proteins, 1.3% fat, 2.2% ash, 3.2% fiber, and 57% carbohydrates. It is a rich source of calcium, phosphorus, and iron. In India, major lentil production areas are situated in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. In India, lentil is the second most important winter pulse crop after chickpea. The area production and productivity of lentil is around 1.34 million hectare, 0.008 millitons and 660 kg per hectare respectively. Let us discuss some major points on soil and climate requirement for lentil growth. Lentil does not respond to temperature above 27 degrees Celsius, hence it is grow as a winter season crop in semi-arid tropics. It can be raised with the moisture consumed in the soil during the monsoon season. It is very hardly plant and can tolerate frost and severe winters to a great extent. It is moderately drought tolerant crops. Soil should be made permeable and weed free so that seedings could be done at an uniform depth. In the case of light soil, less tillage is required to prepare an ideal soil bed. On heavy soil, one deep plugging followed by 2-3 cross harrowing should be given. Some of the prominent lentil cultivators are Vipasha, WBL 58, Pant L 406, Pant L 639, Malika, VL Masoor 4, Sapna, Pant L 4, DPL 15 and DPL 62. Cropping system. Lentil is grow mixed with barley, torrey, rape and mustard crops. It is also raised as an intercrop in autumn sugarcane. Intercropping of seeds plus lentil in 2:1, lentil plus mustard 4 to 6 in 1. In Bundelkhand region of Uttar Pradesh is also promising. Rice lentil is most common rotation. Other rotations are groundnut lentil, sorghum lentil, pearl meat lentil, maize lentil, cotton lentil, kharif follow lentils like rain-fed areas, rice lentil plus mustard or maize which is in fodder state. Optimum seed rate for normal sowing crops is 30 to 40 kg per hectare. Seed rate should be increased to 50 to 60 kg in case of late sowing. Treat the seeds with theanine at 2 kg per seed before sowing. The lentil seed should be treated before sowing with rhizobium culture. Crop is sown at a spacing of 30 cm apart in rows. Using seed drills, the crops may be sown in the second fortnight of October. Delay in planting cause reduction in yield. Lentil seed should be sown at a depth of 3 to 4 centimeters. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.